The Emperor's New Clothes. Once upon a time, there was an emperor whose only interest in life was to dress up in fashionable clothes. He kept changing his clothes so that people could admire him. Once two thieves decided to teach him a lesson. They told the emperor that they were very fine tailors and could sew a lovely new suit for him. It would be so light and fine that it would seem invisible. Only those who are wise would be able to see it, and fools would say that there is no cloth. The emperor was very excited and ordered the new tailors to begin their work. One day the king asked the prime minister to go and see how much work the two tailors had done. The prime minister visited the tailors. He saw the two men moving scissors in the air, but he could see no cloth. He kept quiet for fear of being called stupid. Instead, he praised the work of the tailors and said that the cloth was marvelous. Finally, the emperor's new dress was ready. He could see nothing, but he too did not want to appear stupid. He praised the work of the tailors and gave them a hefty reward. He was asked to parade down the streets for all to see the new clothes. The emperor marched down the main street. The people could only see a naked emperor, but no one said so for a fear of being called a fool. Instead, they praised the invisible clothes of the emperor. The emperor was very happy. At last, a child cried out, "The emperor is naked." Soon everyone began to murmur the same thing, and very soon all shouted, "The emperor is not wearing anything." The emperor realized the truth, but preferred to believe that his people were fools.